Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape our... In a previous video, I talked about the most hated Jamaican YouTubers, and the comments went crazy. But today we're flipping the energy, because no matter how messy YouTube gets, there are Jamaican creators the people refuse to turn against. Not because they're perfect, but because they stayed real. Let's talk about them. Being loved on YouTube isn't about trending every week. It's not about scandals or shouting matches. It's about trust and authenticity and connection. These creators didn't just chase views. They built relationships with the people. Let's get into Jamaican YouTubers who the public truly respects. Number 1, Colaz Smith the Builder. Love him or question him, Colaz Smith's impact is undeniable. People love Colaz because he didn't just build a channel, he built a movement. He introduced teamwork, mentorship, and collaboration into Jamaican YouTube when everybody else was focused on solo success. Even during controversy, supporters say the same thing. You can criticize the man, but you can't erase what he built. That kind of loyalty comes from contribution, not hype. Number 2, Donna Gowe, the unfiltered truth. Donna Gowe is bold, loud, and unapologetic, and that's exactly why people defend her. She speaks for the voiceless. She challenges norms. She doesn't water herself down for comfort. People don't love Donna because she's soft. They love her because she's fearless. In a space full of performance, her raw honesty keeps people locked in. Number 3, Meet the Mitchells, the family people trust. Meet the Mitchells represent something rare on YouTube. Genuine family values. No exploitation, no forced drama, no embarrassing content just for clicks. Just love, parenting, growth, and real-life moments we can all relate to. They're loved because viewers feel safe watching them. With kids, partners, and elders, that level of trust is powerful and hard to break. Number 4, Yendi Phillipps, the grown woman energy and the podcast queen. Yendi Phillipps brings grace and intelligence to the Jamaican YouTube on her podcast. She doesn't chase gossip. She doesn't argue for attention. She talks about purpose, womanhood, healing, and identity. People love Yendi because she represents elevation. She makes viewers feel smarter, calmer, and more self-aware. That's not just content, that's influence. Number 5, Sim Soul Sessions. Simone Clarke-Cooper is a breath of fresh air. Simone Clarke-Cooper uses Sim Soul Sessions to connect with ordinary individuals with extraordinary stories. She doesn't seek chaos, but to connect. Her interviews are intentional, respectful, and emotionally intelligent. People love Sim Soul Sessions because it feels human. No ambushes, no fake outrage, just real stories, real emotions, and meaningful dialogue. In a noisy space, her calm stands out. Being loved on YouTube isn't about being perfect. It's about being authentic, consistent, and respectful. These creators remind us that Jamaican YouTube isn't about drama. It's about community, culture, and connection. Controversy may bring clicks, but authenticity brings legacy.